Alright then, just taking a quick look at Verasity on the daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As always, before we begin, please do go down below and sign up to BITUNIX. They're giving you a 30% bonus if you deposit and trade on their platform. If you deposit $1,000 and trade, you can receive a $300 bonus instantly, which is absolutely amazing, giving you a great opportunity to trade these markets. So we're just taking a quick look at Verasity then. As you can see, not much going on here. Right now, Verasity is basically just trickling to the downside and continuing to retrace here, in line with Bitcoin chopping the markets up recently. You can see after that big crash to the downside, we have come down here around 50%, come back up, retested that big daily fair value gap here, and we've trickled down now to almost 0.5% here, which is a really good entry in my opinion. The lower that we get for Verasity, the better in my estimation, because I do think this is eventually going to pop back up through some of these very obvious areas of liquidity that we are forming above. Obviously, Verasity has just been trickling to the downside here, like a lot of altcoins, really struggling, as you can see. In general, the altcoin market and our smaller altcoins obviously struggling even more, just because of how Bitcoin has been moving and how altcoins haven't been bouncing. You can see there's a lot of altcoins here on my little list, which I've thinned out recently because there was quite a lot of nonsense on it. But you can see here, it's pretty obvious to me that basically across the board, even our larger cap altcoins like Injective here is actually down a massive amount from its high. Got up to $50 there, currently down 85%. Actually would have been an insane drop from this high down to this low down here. 95% drop from just a year ago to the low that we recently saw with that huge liquidation cascade. Crazy entries, to be honest, for a lot of these cryptos for the long term, if you believe in them for the long term. And you can see Verasity here, really no exception, just getting smashed down by Bitcoin's movements. Bitcoin, as you can see, in my opinion, has been slowly trying to make its way down towards that level that I'm looking for here, down at 97k before a bounce. You can see currently still bouncing out of this 100k area of support, which is obviously a big psychological support here. But I think we could sweep this, bounce, and then come down and bounce out of this area, if I'm being honest. Right now, nothing else to say really. We are just waiting for Bitcoin to allow the altcoin space to have an altcoin season. Until we see that, Verasity is just going to continue to mess around in these areas. Nothing much else to say. As always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.